Hello friends, welcome to Design Tutorials today. Today we will be designing on just a dad who loves camping theme design. We will be designing a t-shirt and multiple other merchandise design which can be posted on several print on demand sites like Redbubble and TeePublic and Teespring, etc. Let's see, we have taken this template, default template meant for camping t-shirts from this Placeit catalog, and see what we can do with this particular design template. Add another text. I think we need to add some text here because our phrase will not look great here. Okay, it's so easy to move things around once you get a hack of the software. Okay, just a dad who loves. Okay, okay. Okay, let's change this one. See how it looks. Camping. Okay, make it visible, and we want to change its background. Okay, we want to make it transparent, and text color is white. It will be a design meant for darker backgrounds like black, dark blue, etc. In my opinion, white text works best for the darker backgrounds. Okay, we can change the text for this one. It is close to white, not exactly white, or to make it symmetrical we can make it's the color of just a dad who loves text box, same as this camping text box which was given by default. Let's see what we can do with this one. Okay, not from here, actually from here. Okay, see. Now what we can do with this one, okay, just align it properly and maybe place it here. It looks nice here. Or shall we do some more alteration with this one, if it is doable here? No, it won't be doable. So what we'll do, we'll add another text box and with the transparent background again. And what we shall do with this, we will divide the phrase into two text boxes. Okay, let us minimize it. Just a dad who loves. Okay, we'll change the interior color of this one to something more interesting. Yeah, it looks cool. Or maybe with the heart and all that, green will do. Yes, this looks best. Fine. Now see how it will appear on the darker backgrounds. Let's make it black. Awesome. It would appear awesome. Okay. Some rugged kind of feel this particular design has, which goes perfectly with the camping theme. Let's see if it is in the center of it. Yes, it is in the center of it. No, yeah. You will see that plus when an object is in the center of any design in Placeit, which is very easy to control. Okay, Now this is perfect. I think it is ready to be downloaded now. Let me change its color background to no background, that is transparent, to get our professional PNG file. Now click download. It is processing. It will take a couple of seconds more. I think it is ready to be downloaded now. Let's rename the file so that it doesn't get mixed with other files in your system. Just a dad who loves camping. The design 1, because we will be making quite a few variations of the same design, because we need numbers as well on print on demand sites. So I have named it as a hut design 1. Perfect. Okay. So this was just a dad who loves camping theme design with the hut. It's a design 1 in the series. I'll be making quite a few variations of the same design, and you will see how easy it is using this fantastic software called Placeit to make design on virtually anything, and your designs will look professional with little bit of effort, and you can have endless variations using little bit of creativity and some imagination. Rest will be done by this wonderful software. If you are interested in buying this fantastic piece of software, you can have my discount code as well, and check the links in the description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and please do subscribe my channel, and I'll be coming up quite a few designs for you to give you your regular daily boost of design therapy, so that you can stay on track and create more and more interesting and fantastic designs to boost your print on demand stores. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.